Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel AppleWiz. In today's video, we are going to see how you can add Google Workspace email to your iPhone. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to do is open your settings, and after opening your settings, now scroll all the way down. Then you will be able to see the option of apps in here. Tap on it, and after tapping on apps, now in here, scroll down and search for the Mail app. Here you can see this is the Mail app. Tap on it. And this will take you to the settings of your mail address. And in here you can see the option of mail accounts. Tap on it. And in here, tap on add account. Now tap on Google. And this will take you to this particular page where you have to now add in the email address of your Google Workspace. So after adding down the mail address of your Google Workspace, now tap on the next option. And after tapping on the next option, now you have to add in the password of your Google account. After entering a password, now tap on the next button and then again tap on continue. And in here now you can select the access that you want to give your Google Workspace to. Here I only want to give the access of my mail, so I'm just going to select this mail. You can give the options of seeing, downloading, and editing, sharing, and everything in here by tapping on the select all option. And after you have done that, now scroll down and then again tap on continue. Here you can see I only selected the mail option, so the mail toggle button is only turned on in here. If you change your mind and if you want to give the access to the other, you can simply just tap on those toggle button and turn it on, and again tap on save. And after doing so, now you are all set. And now you can go back and open your mail app on your phone. Here you can see this is the mailboxes, and in here you can see your Google Workspace that you previously added right here. You can simply just tap on it. And in here you can see the mail of the Google Workspace that you previously added. And yeah, that is it. That is how you can add Google Workspace mail to iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.